In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and most merciful. My name is Asam Mukhtar Chima, and you are watching Bahawalpur TV. As I have promised in the last video, that in the next video I will discuss about the overall maintenance, irrigation and fertilizer requirement of that spider plant cutting which I have planted few days ago. Before we get on with today's video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. And like and share the video also. So let's get started. So today I will discuss irrigation, fertilizer requirement, overall maintenance, pest control and common mistakes which we make in the maintenance of that spider plant cutting. Firstly, it's irrigation. So water immediately after planting the cutting. After that, you can water or irrigate the cutting 2 to 3 times in a week, depending upon soil and climate or weather. In summer, you need to water more, and in winter, water requirement reduced, so you can water according to that. Now let's move on to fertilizer part. So during the first 15 days, don't apply any fertilizer and let the cutting initiate its root development. After that, apply liquid fertilizer or compost or vermicompost after every 15 days. Or you can use balanced NPK fertilizer also. So here are few precautions while maintaining that cutting, especially in first few days. Firstly, don't over irrigate it, particularly in soils with less drainage. Second one is don't apply fertilizer too early so that the cutting will start its own root development. Avoid placing or planting this cutting in the direct sunlight. Preferably select a site with a partial sun or partial shade. Soil, preferably a balanced mixture of garden soil, compost and sand. If it's in the pot, then rotate the pot every day or every 2 days to have an. Lastly, I will show some shots of the cutting which I have planted, which is successfully established. If you found this video interesting and informative, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and do like and share the video. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.